Dremel just sent me a drill to try that thinks it's 3 tools in one, and I don't know if it's genius or just plain crazy. This is the new Dremel Blueprint multi-drill. It looks like a normal cordless drill, but it also hides a stud finder and a laser level. Now, I haven't actually used it yet, that'll be in the next video, but today I'm giving you my first impressions. A proper hands-on look on what it does and whether it seems like something worth adding to your kit. Straight away it feels compact, light in the hand, nice grip, and it stands upright on its base, which I really like. It's running on Dremel's 12-volt battery, same as their new saw and the Dremel 8240. So already you can see they're building a proper ecosystem here. Visually, it's got that blueprint grey and blue colour scheme, looks friendly and not intimidating, which makes sense because this is clearly aimed at DIYers more than pros. Now here's the clever bit. This flat panel on the handle isn't just design, that's the built-in stud finder. So instead of grabbing a separate sensor from a drawer, or in my case not being able to find it at all, it's just part of the drill, always there when you need it. I'll be testing how accurate it is in the follow-up, but the idea of having it built in is pretty smart. Then down here in the base is where it gets interesting. There's a detachable laser level. It slides straight out and you've got a little module with bubble vials and a laser line. Dremel even throws in some reusable putty so you can stick it to the wall. Now I haven't tested the brightness or the accuracy yet, again that's for the next video. But the fact it lives inside the drill means you're never without it. That's the kind of design detail that actually makes sense in the real world. As for the drill itself, it's a 12-volt brushless motor, variable speed up to 800 RPM, and has 21 clutch settings on the dial. It's not a heavy-duty beast, but it's not meant to be. This is for shelves, flat pack, furniture, curtain rails, the everyday stuff that usually has you juggling a drill, a level and a stud finder. Again, I'll be putting it through its paces properly in the next video, but for now the control and build feels solid. Now back to the battery. This is the new Dremel Blueprint 12-volt system. Same pack that runs the Blueprint saw and the newer cordless Dremels. So if you get this tool, you're not just buying a drill, you're buying into a family of tools that share batteries, and that's really handy. Now, looking at my shadow foam wall behind me, I think I'm going to need a bigger tool wall.
You're going to need a bigger boat, right?
From the design and the feature set, this clearly isn't aimed at tradies. It's aimed at DIYers, renters, first-time homeowners, people who want one tool that makes common jobs less of a headache. It looks friendly, lightweight and beginner focused. Not a powerhouse, but that's not what it's trying to be. First impressions then. I actually like the concept. It's compact, it feels well made, and the stud finder and laser level built in is a very clever idea. But does it actually work? That's what we'll be finding out together in the next video when I put it through its paces. Hanging a shelf, mounting a picture frame, the kind of thing that this tool is supposed to make easier. Now if you want to check it out for yourself, I'll put a link down in the description below. It's an affiliate link, so if you buy it through there, it helps support the channel, but it's no extra cost to you. But the real question is this drill actually genius or just crazy? And that's what we're going to find out in the next video when I put it to work. So make sure you're subscribed and I'll see you there. Love you.